Maybe I should read the instructions first.
Hush.
This is tea, guys. This is tea. Hey guys, so today I'm going to share with you how to take my pictures from my site. If you don't know what my site is, Bourgeois Boutique. It's an online store that me and my mom created. I'm going to have the link and a discount code for you guys in the description box. But my package just came from Amazon in the mail. I'm so excited to share with you what it is. So yeah, let's get into this video. You know what? I ain't gonna lie. I opened my package. I was going to open it on camera, but I opened it. Amazon package just came in the mail today. Now I'm going to share with you what I got. Is what I've been wanting. This is... You okay, baby? My child's down there. I have a dog, not a real kid. Okay. So this is what I've been wanting. So this is an LED portable photo studio. I saw this on TikTok and I was like, I needed it. I feel like it's going to be perfect for our accessories. I'll come with this cute little dust bag. Okay. Oh Lord, there's a lot of stuff in here. Okay. Okay. What is this? So, oh, this is how to work it. This is the instructions. Excuse my nails, guys. You still quarantined out here. This is horrible. Comes with this. This is a USB port. That's the thing. I don't have anything that's... Oh, I need, you know what? I need extension cord. It's so short though. Okay. And then this is how it looks when you take it out. Oh, these are different backdrops. It comes with a green one, a blue one, oh, black, red, yellow, and white. Oops. Okay. And then this is it. Okay. 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 Okay, I really... Maybe I should read the instructions first. Finally set up, guys. I'm so excited. The only thing I don't like is that the cord is so short. Right now it's hooked up to my mirror, so I have to push everything towards it, but it's okay. So if you guys have not seen my wholesale vlog, click off this video, go watch it, catch up, and then come back. Some of the products on that video I'm going to be taking pictures of, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to do it. I'll probably need some gloves on her. Okay. I have so much stuff. We just got in our Black Lives Matter bracelets, unisex. I want to take pictures of that in our jewelry, so I'm going to put some gloves on real quick. I am so sorry for that noise in the background. It's literally, what time is it? It's 11:56 at night. Usually it's not like this on a weekday. A weekday, guys. Alright, so I'm going to set my phone up right now. To keep it in plastic, so I'm just gonna take a few out so you guys can see what I'm gonna do. I want to make it perfect. Do we need more than one or two? Black Lives Matter. It is so hot, guys, in here. I have so many lights on me. I have this light, and this light right here. So it's like I'm getting hot. And I have these gloves. And I had tea. So I'm burning that. I need to have a fan in here. Okay. so I'm putting them back in a plastic. So when I bought these from the wholesaler, it came in a pack of 20. Pack of 20, guys. Okay. I've been taking a lot of pictures of our new products. I'm going to wait to do our lashes and the lip glosses because I have an idea how I want to do it, so I'm going to wait on those videos. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you have not yet subscribed, please do it now. I have been uploading consistently, weekly. I am so proud of myself. So I'll have my link. I have the link for Bourgeois Boutique and a discount code for you guys to check this out. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.